So today is day 2 of working on the Skyline. As you guys can see, I didn't get to finish it yesterday because I didn't have enough time. Those are side skirts, the front bumper, and the fender. And this is what it looks like. So yeah, I didn't get to finish it because I don't have real paint to paint this, and like I don't want it to rust. So today my dad actually went to Walmart to get black paint. So shout out to him, and yeah, get this shit started. And actually I totally forgot, I bought like Innovate gauge, so basically it's a boost controller and AFR gauge. And I remember while I'm doing this already, you might as well like put it in because I have to like put it in the firewall anyways, all that that wiring stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do today if I have time. Well, I'm totally gonna finish this, the wire tuck, but put that and put the test pipe in because I'm already doing this. Might as well do everything once my front mount intercooler comes, so I can just like slap that on and not worry about all the wiring. So that's what I'm gonna do today, and let's get started. My dad got this one, so basically it's an undercoat because here we cut it and I don't want that shit to rust, and I don't want to go all over about like taking off the fender and stuff. But yeah, that's what the car looks like right now. 3 coats I think, and that'll be good. And I taped it up right there, so blocked it off with cardboard. But yeah, I'll put you guys right here and I can get started. Light coat, pretty sputtery, but I'll do that again later.
A few moments later,
Guys, but this is my 3rd coat for the rust, for the, well, so it doesn't rust, right? But yeah, it's not bad, but I think we'll just do this another time. Yeah guys, so finally jacked up the car. Have to use like a lot of wood blocks because my rear is pretty low and I couldn't get it to the diff. We're gonna take off right there the catalytic converter to put my test pipe. I just got Autobahn 88, I don't know, I'll check it out. Pretty cheap, but I'll just put this, gaskets, hardware's right in there. But yeah, so hopefully it's not gonna take us long, and I'm excited to hear like straight pipe RB25 what it sounds like, right? So yeah, right now, well, it's raining too, it's pretty gloomy. My brother's car is just chilling. Oh shit. So oh, there you go, this is the cat. I just have to unbolt it. I'll probably put some WD-40 first, but I don't think it's gonna be that hard. And yeah, let's get started. WD-40, because you don't know how long this has been staying. So fuck man, it's so hard filming. Blasted some. See the other side. I'm here. Holy fuck. This is crazy. Yeah, so after putting WD-40, I kind of just like let it soak in first because I already fucking I already stripped the nut. So now, well, you guys don't have cameraman, but I'll just put you guys somewhere that you guys can watch. That is a good angle, right? Fucking on wood blocks. Wow. Yeah, so this is 17. Fuck, I stripped that one too. God damn. It's fucking old, bruh. God damn, I'm just stripping bolts everywhere, left to right. Look at this. God damn.
A few moments later.
Let's park it over there. Let's park it over there. Holy Jebby! What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
Just get off work or what?
Yeah, just got off work.
Holy, finally, you're gonna be in the vlog, man.
Yeah, man! Holy, let's see the...
Support Moonlight, baby. I'm gonna send this to Jebby. Here you go, man.
Yeah! I don't know how to put this on, though. Fuck do I record, man? What do I do this? Holy, it has a thing to make it so it's center. Holy.
Put it here, right?
Holy guy.
Talk to the vlog, dude.
What's up, guys? What's up, man? It's my whip. It's a Nissan Altima Coupe. I have eBay exhaust. Pretty nice. My plate's held up with zip ties. Nissan Altima. It's a left-hand drive. Yeah, man. Signals don't work. How about that, though, baby? Let's go, man.
Yeah, support Moonlight.
Shout out Moonlight, baby.
Customizable smooth powerless, man.
Yeah. Woohoo. Oh shit.
So after, I don't know how long, we strip a lot of bolts, but
you have to fucking wait for me. You have to wait for me. Help him out, save the day.
yeah, so basically just one more bolt and then we'll be good. Where's the light, yo? Okay, so it's the last bolt and then finally I can put the test pipe. But yeah, it's just like so rusted. And like, I think my brother got home because I was just by myself. I stripped like 3 bolts.
Wow.
But
Literally just got off work and now I'm doing car shit. I didn't even do car shit to my car. So yeah. Oh my god, that fucking Mustang. Whatever. So we finally got it off. Got the old gasket out. You know,
hella
now
dirty,
it's
so rusted the fuck
pretty much
out.
like cleaning up the surface of it. The steel brush, and then after that we'll just put the new gaskets, put the new studs and bolts.
Slap
And
it
we
on, it's
should
right
be good
there,
to go.
baby.
So we basically had to cut out like the high temp sensor. I mean, he's not gonna run that shit anyway, so don't need that. Yeah, just cleaning up the surface.
Look at this, low cars, man. I have to
Yeah, it's the worst working on low
Fucking-
cars.
use so many wood blocks, but whatever.
We're almost done.
What else do we need to say? Oh, I totally forgot to
Do a sound clip,
sound clip before and after, but I'll just use
like a
any
video
other
of like
clip.
you ripping the car, I guess.
But hopefully this is good. Kind of opens up my exhaust, because this exhaust is actually HKS. Not gonna lie.
Fuck my eyes.
At first I didn't believe that it was HKS because I'm like, there's no way. But yeah, man.
From here, this cap back is an HKS.
It's basically straight pipe now.
So yeah, for shits and giggles, we're just gonna pretty much start up the car with like no cat or no test pipe, just pretty much like the header, and then just try it out, see what it sounds like, and then turn it off. Because I mean, he's just gonna do it once he puts on the test pipe, then it's game over. That thing's gonna stay unless he gets VIU'd. Make sure you're not in first, dog.
Yeah,
That shit was loud. No, we just wanted to try it out without the test.
That's pretty loud, yo. If my car's like that, holy fuck.
That shit loud as shit. But yeah, so pretty much here's the test pipe.
I got this test pipe, Autobahn. You guys probably don't know, but hey man, it's pretty cheap. I got it. It is what it is. It's pretty good welds too, so we'll slap this on right now and maybe test drive it, but we'll see though. Here you go, we took it out. This is the stock cat. Still pretty good. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's pretty good, man. Here. And this is the new one that I got. 3-inch all the way through, so that'll be cool. And yeah, it's comparison. So let's put it on.
Just putting anti-seize on the studs and the nuts, because just in case you need to take it off, it'll be easier in the future. Doesn't get all seized up.
Yeah, and like we already put the AFR
Just the sensor, the O2 sensor for it.
Cause I could do it. I'm gonna do everything. Cause
I'll do this. Get the phone.
go talk, Lewis.
Sideways or what?
I don't even know, man.
My
This is messed
people.
up.
Okay, well, so I'm pointing the nut right now. I think everything lined up anyways. We already put the gasket.
Yes.
We're just kind of like hand tightening it, and then that shit's not tightened yet.
Let's see how this works.
That one's
Okay, yeah,
hit already.
let's do hand tighten for now.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this one.
Just
the
do this
back.
side. Yo, don't forget about the gasket.
Yeah, I know. Here, hold on to this one.
Holy fuck. Where's that board?
It's here. Just hold on to it.
Here, this is the nut.
Where's it? Does it go in there? Okay, it's in. Yeah.
Okay. Oh,
There you go.
there you go. So we just put test pipe right now. We just need nut. Some
Where's my
nuts,
nut?
baby. Holy crap. Just doing this with one hand. Oh, fuck. I'll just put you guys down here. God damn. The light. We put the test pipe. Finally, after a while. What the
That's on the
fuck?
motherfucking gang.
Now we're just like wiring up the AFR sensor and stuff.
O2.
Because it's already wired up, and then that's gonna be in the next video. Fuck.
What's up, guys? Pretty much finished it. Got the test pipe in. Got the O2 for the AFR in too. Put the wire in, and we're not gonna do like the install for the Innovate
Yeah, we just
AFR
like
boost controller. So we just kind of like just feed it through.
so it's already ready.
So it's ready when we have to do it.
There.
And we're gonna start it up.
Start it up, baby. Do you have the keys? Okay, I'll be at the back. Oh shit, my mirror. Wait, don't do it yet. Let's check it out, man. It's in first gear. I'm just kidding. After 2 hours, we finally put our test pipe, and this is the sound clip.